Hello and welcome back. I'm so happy you are here today because we're going to talk about something that can really change your English speaking in just 7 days. Have you ever tried speaking English, but your mind goes blank? You know the words, you understand the grammar, but when it's your turn to speak, nothing comes out. It's frustrating, right? You feel nervous, you feel stuck, and you start thinking, maybe I'll never speak fluently. But today, I'm going to show you a technique that actually works, something you can start doing right now and see real improvement in just 1 week. It's called the shadowing technique. And no, it's not complicated. You don't need a teacher. You don't need special tools. All you need is a little practice every day. So how does shadowing work? It's simple. You listen to a short audio, like a sentence from a podcast, a video, or even this video. Then you repeat it immediately, trying to match the speaker's pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. For example, the speaker says, "I love learning English every day." You repeat right after, "I love learning English every day." Don't worry if it's not perfect. The goal is to copy the sounds and the flow, not to translate or think about grammar. Let's practice another one together. Today is a beautiful day. You repeat, "Today is a beautiful day." I enjoy speaking English with my friends. You repeat, "I enjoy speaking English with my friends." See, it's easy and natural. This trains your mouth and your brain at the same time. You start thinking in English, not translating from your own language. Now, the best way to use shadowing is daily. Just 10 to 15 minutes every day. Choose short, simple sentences at first. Repeat them. Listen carefully. Copy the tone. And after a few days, you'll notice something amazing. Your pronunciation improves, your words come faster, you feel more confident speaking. And this is where the magic happens. After 7 days, speaking English naturally doesn't feel impossible anymore. Quick tip: record yourself while shadowing, then listen. Compare with the original. Notice small improvements. This keeps you motivated and helps you progress faster. And if you want more techniques like this, don't forget to subscribe. We post real, practical ways to speak English naturally. No textbooks, no boring lessons. Let's continue. Step 2. Add expressions and feelings while shadowing. Instead of just words, think about how the speaker feels. For example, "I'm so happy to see you." Say it with the same excitement. Your brain starts to connect English with emotion, and that makes it feel real, not artificial. Step 3. Increase the speed slowly. Start slow. Match the speaker. Then gradually try faster sentences. This trains your brain to keep up in real conversations. Shadowing is not about memorizing. It's about imitating, feeling, and connecting. You are learning to speak like a native, without pressure. Remember, small steps every day are better than long, stressful study sessions. 10 minutes a day is enough to see progress. And the best part? You start enjoying English. You feel confident. You speak naturally. So here is your challenge. 1. Pick 3 short sentences today. 2. Shadow them 3 times each. 3. Focus on tone and rhythm. 4. Add emotion. 5. Do this every day for 7 days. At the end of the week, record yourself again. Listen. You will be amazed at the difference. If you like this video, hit the like button. Share it with friends who also want to speak English naturally. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical English tips. Remember, shadow, repeat, feel. Do it every day. And in just 7 days, your English will feel alive. You can do this. Start today. Shadow your first sentence right now. I'll see you in the next video.